news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 21. Jesus feed 4,000. Round them time there, one day a big crowd did gather up round Jesus. They never have nothing for them. So Jesus called him follower them together and say, "Me sorry for them people here. I will have 3 days now them there with me. And them now nothing for them. Some of them live far from here so. If me send them away hungry, they might have dropped down a road." Jesus follower them say, "How part nobody forget enough food in a this desert place here to full all of them people your belly?" Jesus asked them say, "How much bread una have?" 7, them say. Jesus tell the crowd of people to sit down on the ground. After that, him take the 7 bread, give thanks, and broke them up, give him follower them to feed the people them. Them did have couple small fish too. Jesus take them, give God thanks, and give him follower them to feed the people them. Everybody yam till them belly full, and when them pick up what they left back, it full 7 baskets. About 4,000 people did it, and after them done eat, Jesus send them away. Right after him do that, him and him follower them go in a one boat and cross go Dalmanuta. The people ask for one sign. The Pharisee them come out and start argue with Jesus. Them didn't want to test him. So them ask him for one sign to prove that God sent him. So Jesus give out one every sign and say, "What make the people in at that time you always look for one sign? Me I tell you the truth, you not go get no sign." Then him left them, go back in the boat and go over the other side of the lake. The Pharisee and Herod Yeast. Now, Jesus follower them did only have 1 bread in the boat because they never remember to carry some with them. So Jesus tell them say, "Watch out. Guard on yourself against the Pharisee them and Herod Yeast." So them said to one another, "A true we don't have no bread making say that." Jesus know what them did that talk about. So him ask them say, "What make you not talk about how a true we don't have no bread? You still not see and understand? Hard to learn so. You don't have eye, so you can't see. You don't have ears, so you can't hear. And remember, you don't remember when me broke the 5 bread them and feed the 5,000 people them. How much basket on your man left? You did pick up after that?" Them say 12. "And when me broke the 7 bread and feed the 4,000 people them, how much basket on your man left? You did pick up?" Them say 7. So Jesus said to them say, "So I understand, you still not understand?" Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.